Some folks in West Haven say some cell phone towers are an eyesore and they are a health hazard.
Yeah, the Planning and Zoning Committee voted tonight to investigate the controversial towers which allegedly violate the town's zoning laws. News 8's Andy Rourke on the scene with more on the story you told us about through our Report It feature.
These flyers went up all over the neighborhood. It has been over 2 years, but residents here finally got a special meeting with the Planning and Zoning Committee. A small crowd, but a contentious one. No wonder when it's taken this long just to get here.
It's been extremely frustrating because some of the people in the city departments just won't listen.
This is what the debate's all about. 28 cell phone antennas put up on top of the Giannotti apartment building on Main Street in West Haven. The 1926 building used to be the Giannotti Middle School, the old West Haven High School before that.
Because it's a residential building, it's also a building that's on the National Historic Registry, and right there are two very compelling reasons, definite violations.
The neighbors believe the landlord should have applied for a special permit. They didn't, but the antennas went up anyway. Neighbors had no idea what was being built, and there are concerns about health, among other things.
Oversight by the Planning and Zoning Commission.
But there's also concerns about the process, or lack thereof. There was no notice given, no city oversight, no public hearing, no chance to fight this at all. Now they're hoping the Planning and Zoning Committee will issue a removal order. Residents who actually live under the antennas aren't as involved, though this renter tells us he thinks they should have at least followed proper procedure.
But personally, I wasn't affected by it. I didn't even really know what was happening, so can't really say that for myself. But I mean, I think they should have went through the procedures.
That's all we were asking for, was a fair application of the rules.
But this may not be over yet. There is some discrepancy about whether the P&Z committee has the authority over this in the first place. That has not yet been settled. On the scene in West Haven, Annie Rourke, News 8.